Hey everyone, Forrest here, ripping one box 2020-2021 Prizm Collegiate Draft Picks Basketball Fast Break. This box is for Fang C. Thank you, Fang, and good luck. Come on, Wiseman. Edwards ball, come on. Hey, there's LaMelo Ball. Fast break. Obi Toppin. Naismith. This is auto. Killian Hayes. Not bad. Good first auto here. The 125, Devon Dotson. James Wiseman. Anthony Edwards. Devin Vassell or Vassell. Silver, Jordan Nwora. And Anthony Edwards to 175. There you go, Fang. Good stuff so far. Still have one more auto to go as well. Daniel Oturu, Cassius Winston, Robert Woodard. Auto, that's Brandon Robinson. It's to 125, Vernon Carey Jr. Jaden McDaniels, Josh Green. Global Prospects, Denny Avdia. Silver Prospects, RJ Hampton. And Tyrese Halliburton, Crusade to 175. Nice numbered cards so far. Last pack. Jalen Smith, Kira Lewis Jr. LaMelo Ball. Silver, Denny Avdia. And on the back, Nico Mannion, 45 of 49. There you go, Fang. Pretty good box of fast break. Thanks again. We'll get your cards shipped out to you.